Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with part 2 of building the Visitor Laser Jeep from the TV series V. And as you can see, I've got the body glued together now and made a few minor corrections to it. First up, I've got the cowl filled in just a little bit there. That is supposed to be a seam on the CJ7, but there's actually a step in this kit, so I just kind of eased that transition between the two panels and then cut a new shallower seam. And then I also filled in down here where the 6-point roll cage would be mounted, and right here where the front of the 4-point roll bar would be, because those got moved down here on the later CJ7s so that there was a place to mount the seat belts, because 3-point seat belts became a federal mandate during the Jeep's run. So those modifications now done. I'm going to put some primer on it and see how things look. So here it is with the primer coat, and overall I'm pretty happy with the way this is coming along. You can see that the seam on the side is cleaned up pretty well, and the places where I added the fillets look pretty good. I do need to do a little more cleanup on this front fender here. I just totally missed a spot right there when I was cleaning off the seams. But otherwise, this is looking pretty good. I'll sand that, reprime it, and it'll be ready for some paint. And I've also gotten some more done on the chassis. I've got the engine permanently put in. I've got the exhaust manifold and the scratch-built downpipe in place. Got the carburetor on, got the belt assembly on, and have started adding details to that. So this is going not too bad. Next thing, I've got the wheels being stripped. Just use Easy Off on those to get rid of the chrome plating. And as soon as those are clean, I'll be painting those, getting the chassis up on the wheels. And once I've got that last bit of the body cleaned up, like I said, I'll be ready for paint on that. So check back next week when I'll have another update on this, and thanks for watching.